Today, I'll be showing you how to swap out the Deity DXTX cone with a stereo 5-pin cone. The DXTX ships with a mono XLR connection. The 5-pin cone comes as an optional accessory. Once you've picked it up, power down the device and remove the batteries. Next, using a size T9 screwdriver, remove the 2 screws on the front of the unit. Gently pull the cone off until you see the pin connection. Set down the cone and pull out the connector cable. Again, be gentle with this. Grab the 5-pin cone and double-check that your pins are aligned. Seat the new connector as best as you can with your hand, and then secure it fully with the screwdriver. With that connected, make sure the bracket and gasket are aligned with the open screw holes on the cone. Place the cone onto the unit, being mindful not to pinch the cable connection. Finally, with the unit secured with your thumb, use the original screws to lock it in place. When you turn the unit on, you can see that it automatically boots in stereo mode. From there, you can control the gain of each channel independently. Thanks for watching, and happy shooting!